This is Lab 6, Extension 2.3, applying your current and voltage models on page 116. We've been developing the current model in Lab 5. In Lab 6, we're looking at voltage again. In the current model, we're thinking how the charge is circulating in the circuit, and when there's a junction, how it's dividing. We're thinking about the resistance, and where there's less resistance, that's going to get more than half of the current, of the overall current, if it divides. So here we have a chance to look at a circuit that we saw back in Lab 5 in Extension 3.1, Activity 3.1, I'm sorry, on page 92 and 93. So you can pause this video and look back at that circuit. It's identical to this one, Extension 2.3. So go ahead and pause it and take a look back at that one. Now you'll see when the switch is open, we've got two bulbs that are connected together. I've got a red, a yellow wire, and then a black wire that when I'm ready to go, I'm going to attach it here. And then off of this bulb B, I've got in parallel a bulb C that these two sides are connected, and these two sides with the black wires, this black wire has a direct connection all the way back to the negative terminal of the battery. And these both are directly connected to each other through the switch, which is just a piece of metal. And so we've got these two bulbs, bulbs B and C, that are in parallel to each other. Now the question that you are asked is to make a prediction E23. So pause the video, think about it. What's going to happen to the brightness when, of not just the one bulb in the question, but of all the bulbs, when I connect this here and then I'll throw the switch? So I want you to pause your video and make that prediction. I've connected the circuit to the battery. And as you can see, these two bulbs are about equally bright, kind of what we were expecting, two bulbs in series. This one's not on. And we're ready to test out our prediction. What do you think is going to happen to that bulb B? I'm going to close it. Huh. Well, look at that. What a surprise. Let's look at that again. So bulb B. I pinched a little bit. Maybe you can see a little bit of a glow. Not much from bulb C. So it looks like bulb B has gone dimmer. And bulb C, well, I was expecting it to be equally lit, but that could be explained by some of these wires here. If I doubled up the wires like I've done in some other activities, it'd be harder to see how they're connected. But it might make the voltage across this one be closer to the voltage across that one. All right, so now you've got two ways of thinking about it. You also notice the brightness of bulb A. Bulb A, when I close it, when I open it, when I close it, I don't really notice much of a difference there on the camera. With my eyes, without the camera, it gets a little brighter. Bulb A gets a little brighter. And that is our activity.